So hello and welcome to Rev Sports. We are right outside the Barabati Stadium in Cuttack, and Team India has turned up for their practice session. The full team is here, barring one player, that is Hardik Pandya. But we'll talk about the practice session later on because the team has just started to turn up. But the biggest talking point, Shubman Gill is here with the team, and that is something which is a massive positive for the Indian team. Their vice captain is returning in the shortest format, and now it will be upon Shubman Gill to crank up the runs here in Cuttack and in this 5-match T20I series. But again, before the practice session started, Devashish Das Surya Kumar Yadav attended the press conference. There were some talking points. He did talk about the preparations, the final preparations, and he did say he gave an example of a schoolboy that you can't come 2 months or 4 days before the exam and start to study hard. Their preparation started just after the T20 World Cup 2024 ended, and now it is time to fine tune and just uh, put up finishing touches before the T20 World Cup. So this is an important statement. The vision is clear. He repeatedly said that don't expect too many changes, too many tweaks in the playing 11 or in the type of combination they are playing. So that is something which Surya Kumar Yadav has clearly hinted, Devashish, that do not expect but too much tinkering that we saw in the test team or ODI team, too much tinkering in the playing 11 when it comes to the T20 format.
Yeah, absolutely, and that is what it should be.
Yeah.
Means obviously, with just 10 more matches to go before we actually play the warm-up game of the T20 World Cup. So, but as we say that obviously Hardik Pandya not turning up. Yesterday he was seen clutching his hips. So obviously we hope that it is not something that is to be concerned. But definitely, it's Hardik Pandya is an integral member of the
Right.
team along with the likes of Surya Kumar Yadav, Shubman Gill, Jasprit Bumrah. So yes, this is one area of concern that the team management needs to be very careful
Right.
about. Means obviously not to risk the players, and so and we just literally 10 matches,
Right.
exactly.
2 months.
2 months. So and then you also have. You don't want any niggles to creep in
Right.
again. Means they are already coming back after a long layoff.
Right.
So yes, and but Shubman Gill once again he was the man in focus today. He did had a long stretching and some fitness drills before he actually took part in the slip catching. And to obviously there were several fans who were
Yes,
allowed to.
it is open session for fans.
Yeah.
The fans can come here and actually see the team train here. So good opportunity for the fans here in Cuttack as well.
Yeah, with every catch, they were saying cheering and clapping, and something that you can associate with whenever an Indian team. And it is rare that a state association allows the general fans to watch the team train, which
Right.
is not the case in some other venues. But yes, they have come in numbers, and hopefully it will be a full house tomorrow.
Yeah,
Shubham.
absolutely. Tickets are already sold out, and OCA is expecting capacity crowd tomorrow. And again, this is a venue which does not get too many matches. Yes, it hosted the India England ODI series, ODI match, but again, OCA or Barabati Stadium does not host too many matches. So a great opportunity for the fans. Another major talking point from the Surya Kumar Yadav press conference, Devashish Da, was him saying that Shubman Gill was the opener when it was the first T20I series under Gautam Gambhir against Sri Lanka in Sri Lanka. Shubman Gill started opening there, but since he had to focus on ODIs and Test, he was not part of the T20I team. Sanju in between did well in that opening slot, but since Shubman has been reinstated into the squad, he deserves that spot. But he did not give any sort of clarity whether it will be Sanju Samson or Jitesh Sharma in the playing 11. Shubman will open definitely, but in terms of role clarity for Sanju or Jitesh, who is part of the playing 11, that is something which the team management needs to figure out going forward.
Yeah, Shubhan, and obviously, if you look at this in the Indian time, the side that played against Australia in that T20I series, I
Right.
think that will more or less be the same.
Right.
The top order is more or less settled. You have a settled look. The top order with Abhishek Sharma opening the batting with Shubman Gill, followed by Surya Kumar Yadav, Tilak Verma. Then you have a Hardik Pandya
Yes.
now coming in, followed by
Akshar
Akshar Patel, and Jitesh Sharma. I
Jitesh.
would rather go with a Jitesh Sharma ahead of a Sanju Samson because he can finish you games.
Right.
And then you have the bowlers,
The bowlers,
obviously
yeah.
the spinners. Whether India goes in with a Washington Sundar, who is pretty handy with the bat, but if you go in with a Kuldeep Yadav or Varun Chakravarti, and then you have Arshdeep Singh and Jasprit Bumrah. That means obviously then you have at this, your batting stops from at numbers 8, 7 or 8.
Right.
So that is some area where the team management needs to look at whether to go in with a Washington Sundar, and you also have to play either Varun Chakravarti or
Yes.
Kuldeep Yadav. But the point is whether India will go in with both Varun Chakravarti and Kuldeep Yadav.
That is something to be seen. Most likely they will. But another talking point ahead of this match after the ODI series has been the dew factor. Surya was asked about the dew factor, and he did say that we play with dew in the IPL, so all the T20I players, at least they are habituated by playing in dew. We can't just see dew and leave the match. We have to play the match, and dew will be the same for both the teams as it starts from 7:30 onwards. So he did not give dew as an excuse. Rather, he said that we need to prepare that well, that we make dew our strength. So this team now will focus to win matches, prepare better, and let's see how this team shapes up
And obviously,
ahead
there,
of
there
the
was there was
World
a
Cup.
bit of pep talk from
Yes.
the head coach
Yeah.
at the start of the practice session. They were all in a huddle.
This is his
And
format.
yes, yes, absolutely. This is his format, and Gautam Gambhir was quite animated during that pep talk. Means obviously, the focus will be to win all these 10 matches leading into that warm-up
Right.
match at Navi Mumbai.
Yes, absolutely. And now let's see. The team has just started to train there, so we'll go there and watch the practice. We'll give you all the updates regarding the training session. What happened there? Focus will be on Shubman Gill, Abhishek Sharma, Jasprit Bumrah is also back. So we'll give you all the updates. Stay tuned. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. And stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for now.